In this video, we're gonna rust convert and get some gloss white on the roof of this 240Z. So here I'm just taping up with some drop sheet, just taping all the edges of the roof just so I don't get any overspray on anything. So this is how the roof looked to begin with. It was just in primer with a bit of surface rust. So we're gonna sand that down with some 320 and get it ready for rust conversion. Alright, so onto the cleaning stage. So I've got a wax and grease remover here, which you pretty much wipe over the panel and either flip your towel over or get a new towel and just buff it off, just to remove any oils or grease that will cause like fisheye and things like that. And don't forget the other side of the roof, mate. Alright, so once the rust converter has cured for a few hours, we can go over with the gloss white. You probably should leave it 24 hours between the rust converter and the gloss white, but that takes too long, mate. Alright, so give that first coat 5 or 10 minutes just to get touch dry, and then you can go with your second coat. Right, so repeat the process with the third coat. As you're progressing through the coat, you can put a little bit more paint on. Just slow your hand speed down a little bit. Just get a bit more on there, better coverage. By the third coat, it should be looking pretty solid, pretty good. Very good, actually. Well, that's pretty much it. The roof's done. Should be sealed pretty well from moisture now. Thanks for watching.